It's not a crime to have a sniffer dog falsely accuse you. Greens MP takes police to court over plan to deny concertgoers entry if they are tagged by canine unit even if they don't have drugs. A plan by police to deny concert entry to anyone who is targeted by sniffer dogs even if they don't have drugs has led a Greens MP to take them to court. NSW Police announced they will refuse entry to anyone outside the Above and Beyond concert in Cindy who is searched as a result of a sniffer dog, even if no drugs are found. Greens MP David Shoebridge is taking NSW Police to court to seek an injunction to stop them punishing concertgoers singled out by sniffer dogs who aren't found to be in possession of drugs. It is not a crime to have a drug dog falsely indicate you are carrying drugs, but right now people are facing the very real prospect of having their tickets torn up because of the failed drug program, he said. He told 10 Daily he was informed they had a strong case against NSW Police because they do not have the power to do this. Drug dogs get it wrong up to 75% of the time. This is nothing more than the NSW Police punishing young people for the abject failure of their drug dog program, he said. Mr. Shoebridge, who is a lawyer by trade, also spoke with Sky News about the perceived injustice. He said they run a Facebook page called Sniff Off which is designed to help target unfair policing, and since the announcement they have been inundated with people who want to know their rights. So we have been coordinating a number of those ticket holders. We've got a legal team who have put their hand up to act for us. We've crowdfunded the fees that we are going to need to get the filing fee sorted and cover those costs, he said. Those proceedings will be commenced in the Supreme Court either later today or tomorrow to injunction the police, to prevent them from doing this and prevent them from abusing their powers. Criminal lawyers also told 10 Daily that they aren't sure how this plan by NSW Police can be legal, saying it dilutes basic human rights. Assistant Commissioner Peter Thurtell said the message from police is simple: don't bring prohibited drugs to the event. Police will exclude any person from the venue that the drug dog indicates has or who has recently had drugs on them, regardless of whether drugs are located. Quite simply, if you handle or use drugs you will not be permitted to remain at the venue, he said. Greens MP David Shoebridge took a swipe at the NSW Police statement on Wednesday morning. The war on drugs is a war on young people, with little to no impact on public safety or crime, he said. He added, it's hard to see how this kind of action by police could be legal, seeing how it involves punishment in the absence of any offense. Mr. Shoebridge said in a media statement, "Welcome to NSW, where being young in public is now a criminal offense. Penalizing people for the failure of the drug dog program is a clear abuse of police powers. Young people who have spent upwards of $100 will see their tickets essentially torn up as some kind of perverse punishment by the police." Mr. Shoebridge said that young people shouldn't be denied entry based solely on drug sniffer dogs, as they can also get it wrong. "We have known for many years that between 2/3 and 3/4 of drug dog indications are false positives where people are not found to be carrying any drugs," he said in a media statement. The group's fans are slamming the police for the harsh warning, complaining that it's ridiculous that they'd have to forfeit their tickets if a sniffer dog sits next to them. One social media user said, "So presumed guilty even after being proven innocent. This is an overreach of police powers. What gives them the right to presume guilt?" Another replied, "The presence of drug detection dogs only encourages people who will take drugs anyway to take all their drugs at once before arriving at the venue. The police are then factors in the hospitalizations, deaths that follow," another user said. He added, "Why not try harm minimization? Help people to stay alive while taking the drugs that they were going to take anyway. Education, pill testing, medical care, Rover." Tickets for the English electronic trio don't come cheap, costing between $128.43 to $143.64. Assistant Commissioner Peter Thurtell said, "Poor choices can have serious consequences and we urge all people attending this festival to remain safe, look after your friends, and don't risk your health or your good reputation." Above and Beyond will be playing at Sydney Showgrounds from 6 p.m. to midnight on Saturday, June 9.